Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Xreal Beam Pro and I want to show you how add remove magnification to this device. To add it, open settings application. Sorry, no my glasses. Settings, where we look for our accessibility. Now we have magnification, which is off. To turn on it, tap on it and switch on this shortcut, confirm by OK, and we have our shortcut with our magnification, which position we can easily change by tap on it and swipe with it on screen. When you want to zoom your screen, tap on it and tap on screen. You can also change position of your zoom using two fingers and swiping with it on screen. When you make this feature, you can zoom on zoom out, or when you use only one finger, you can only go up and down. To turn off it, press again on your shortcut, magnification, and that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.